some separation, let's say from his beak. Easiest way to do that is to split the body. So what we have to do is we have to draw on a plane somewhere where we can get the right view. I'm going to draw just like where I want his beak to go. I'm going to say is right here, and I'm just going to make a little beak.
Wait, look at this.
And I'm going to say, okay, this is what's going to separate.
This isn't fair.
Okay. So I'm going to split the body, and the splitting tool will be this guy. And so when I'm splitting it, do you see what's happening? It's like making that hole cut out. So we say okay, and now this is a different thing than that. And so these are two different pieces. There's another tool that's super useful. See how now when I look at him, he looks like he has a little beak?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's this really cool tool that's in surfaces, and it's called thicken. And what thicken does is it takes a surface and it actually makes this like little thing. So what we need to do first is we have to make the surface from that. So we go into surface offset and we say, hey, this little beak, I'm going to make it 0 for now because we'll start there. And then I'm going to get rid of every other thing. Got it? So now it's just this floating little sheet of a beak. And now I'm going to come over here and I want to show you with the body what this will look like. So we have our sheet of, face right here. And now we'll go into that thicken tool. So we go to thicken and we can thicken this like, just a little bit. I'm going to say 2 millimeters is actually going to be pretty good. And now when I put in his eyeballs, he should look a little bit more like a Mr. Penguin. See what I mean? Because you'll have that edge. And you can always round out things. So like, just like we did before with the eyeballs, you can always fillet that. You could say by like 1 millimeter, or if it can't be 1 millimeter, by like 0.5, because it might just be like too much that it's asking it to do. Let's see if I can round it just ever so slightly. It doesn't like what I'm doing here. So we might have to put them all together. And we should be able to convince this thing that it should round it all out. And we'll see, it has like one other issue because it's not connected here. So we'll just connect that little piece. Because there are all these little walls where it touches. So we'll have to make sure that all of those are selected, okay? Anything that's missing, it does give you a little heads up, like, hey, I'm not working because of this. And now it'll say, like, what are you trying to fill it? And now we're saying, like, maybe 0.25 or something. We'll click, actually, let's see if we can get away with 0.5. Yeah, we'll do that. Click OK. Come on. Stalls my computer, but should work. See, now it's rounded. Okay, cool.